Hello everybody, and I don't have light. Okay, I got some more lights, and I'm sitting on the floor, of course. But hello everybody, and today I will be making a video, and I promised on Friday I might make a video with my cousin. He's not gonna come over, but he might like play with me online on Minecraft or. Yeah, so thanks for the 10 subscribers, but then it went down to like 6, I think. No, to 5, and then it went to 6. I don't know what happened. What happened with that? You tell me in the comments below. Wait, what? In the section below, comment what you know about it. Is it because I didn't make a video in a long time, or is it because you guys hate me? I don't know. How am I supposed to know? Oh yeah, big shout out to my cousin like last time, because he might participate in one of my new videos. So, yeah guys, I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm on my ball. And, just kidding. I'm on the ball. As you know by that last video, if you didn't see it, go check it out right now. I won't even say what happened to me. Just go check out the video. Pause this video, go check out the other video, and then come back to this video. You know what? I might as well say it. I'm sick. I'm sick, but I might make a video. I don't know. But shoot, I need to sneeze. My nose burns. I need to sneeze. Oh, good thing. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this little mini video. That's like 2 minutes. But this last part is gonna be me dancing. I'm dancing to no music. This is so boring. I don't know why I'm doing this. Bye guys.